Tecno Spark 40 versus Tecno Spark 50. Which one should you actually buy in 2026? Today, we're comparing both phones side-by-side performance, gaming, battery, charging speed, camera quality, and overall value for money. So first, let's talk about the Tecno Spark 40. The Spark 40 is a solid budget phone for everyday use. If your main activities are WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and browsing, this phone can handle them pretty well. The design also looks clean and modern for a budget device, and it feels comfortable to hold. Another thing many people will like about the Spark 40 is the charging speed. Surprisingly, the Spark 40 actually charges faster than the Spark 50 in this comparison. So if you hate waiting for your phone to charge, the Spark 40 definitely has an advantage there. And because it's cheaper, it's also a good option for students or anyone trying to save money. But now, let's move to the Tecno Spark 50. And honestly, this is where things start changing. The Spark 50 gives you better overall performance, smoother scrolling, stronger gaming, and better multitasking. Apps open faster, switching between apps feels smoother, and games like PUBG and COD Mobile perform much better on the Spark 50. The display also feels smoother and more premium while scrolling social media, watching videos, or gaming. Now let's talk about the camera. The Spark 50 clearly gives better camera performance overall. Photos look sharper, colors look cleaner, and videos feel more detailed compared to the Spark 40. So if you love taking pictures, making TikToks, or creating content, the Spark 50 is definitely the better choice. Battery life on both phones is decent, but because the Spark 50 is more powerful, it gives a more modern smartphone experience overall. So here's the final answer. If your budget is tight and fast charging matters most to you, the Spark 40 is actually a really good option. But if you want better gaming, smoother performance, better cameras, and a phone that feels more powerful overall, then the Spark 50 is the clear winner.